Ever wondered how a small tropical fruit can pack a punch for your health? Well, enter passion fruit. This nutrient-rich wonder hails from the tropical regions, boasting a unique, vibrant appearance that's just as impressive as its health-boosting properties. With its intriguing shell and tasty pulp, it's more than just a pretty face in the fruit bowl. Its health benefits? Well, they're as surprising as they are plentiful. So stick around as we dive into the surprising health benefits of passion fruit. Let's peel back the layers of this vibrant fruit. The passion fruit is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that not only bolsters your immune system, but also promotes radiant skin. But that's not all. It's also a fantastic source of vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin. So next time you're looking for a vitamin boost, reach for a passion fruit. But vitamins are just the start. There's more to this fruit than meets the eye. A feeling full and energized might be easier than you think. Passion fruit is packed with dietary fiber, a key player in promoting digestive health and maintaining a healthy weight. But the benefits don't stop there. Fiber also works wonders in reducing blood cholesterol levels, a significant factor in heart health. So, with each bite of this tropical delight, you're not just indulging your taste buds, but also taking a step towards a healthier heart. And for those who struggle with sleep, passion fruit has a secret ingredient. Tossing and turning all night? Passion fruit might just be your new best friend. This tropical delight is a natural source of harmon, a compound known for its sedative properties. When consumed, harmon can help calm your nervous system, promoting a sense of tranquility and paving the way for a restful night's sleep. It's like a lullaby wrapped in a juicy sweet package. So, whether it's boosting your immune system or getting a good night's sleep, passion fruit has you covered. So, we've uncovered some fantastic reasons to include passion fruit in your diet. Let's take a moment to recap. We've learned that passion fruit is a powerhouse of essential vitamins, including vitamins A and C, which are crucial for our immune system, skin health, and vision. Not only that, but it's also rich in dietary fiber, promoting a healthy gut and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about those natural compounds found in passion fruit that work as a sleep aid. In a world where good sleep can sometimes seem elusive, this is a benefit that can't be overlooked. So why not give passion fruit a try? Incorporate it into your meals, enjoy it as a snack, or even use it to make a refreshing drink. The possibilities are endless. If you're passionate about staying healthy, subscribe to The Altruist for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching, and remember to live healthily and happily.